For today's video we're going to visit one of the most amazing falls in the southwestern part of Cebu Island, Philippines. Friends, welcome to Inambakan Waterfalls. While shrouded in some mystery, Inambakan Falls in Henatelan, Cebu, whispers tales of its past. Long before Spanish conquistadors arrived, these waters sustained the Cebuano people, a hidden oasis in the verdant jungle. The name Inambakan itself comes from the Cebuano word ambak, meaning to jump, possibly referencing the daring feats or rituals performed near the cascading waters. As Henatelan blossomed into an agricultural hub during Spanish rule 1521 to 1898, the allure of these cascading tears likely beckoned settlers. Though history hasn't explicitly penned its role, the fall's serene beauty and resources might have nourished crops or whispered secrets to passing travelers. Following the Philippine Revolution and American occupation 1898 to 1946, Henatelan continued its evolution. Local whispers morphed into stories, and Inambakan's charm unfolded. Residents bathed in its cool embrace, fished its depths, and found solace in its verdant embrace. Today, Inambakan's majestic spirit dances with modern rhythms. Its 5 tiers, each a unique jewel, captivate adventurers and sun-seekers alike. Towering 100 feet, the main cascade plunges into a mesmerizing azure pool, a canvas for laughter and memories. Lush landscapes and diverse wildlife paint a breathtaking backdrop, offering a haven from the world's clamor. The warmth of the Henatelan community adds another layer to the experience. Immerse yourself in their culture, support local businesses, and discover the myths and legends woven into the fall's very essence. This captivating tapestry is not without its challenges. Protecting the delicate ecosystem around Inambakan is crucial. Conservation efforts ensure this natural wonder continues to sing its siren song for generations to come. So, while the past may hold some secrets, Inambakan's present speaks volumes. Its beauty echoes through every cascading droplet, reminding us of its enduring presence and the rich tapestry it weaves with the Henatelan community. Though gaps remain in its story, Inambakan Falls still paints a mesmerizing portrait of the past. Its magic continues to enchant locals and travelers alike, promising new chapters to unfold in the years ahead. Please enjoy watching the whole video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos.
Sakit ya kung tuhod. Sama tayo, padong babae ni. Siya, hindi mo ang kita. Careful. Hindi, ay, kapag dili.
Papa!
Sino masad?
Tignan niyo mo.
Dali oh. Dili.
Hindi kasada di tika.
murag mo katong unang istina pa murag maupong nagpargis.
Ano kaya diyanan ito?
Oh, nak basin. Apa siguro na nahuman? Oh, nindot diha. Ay, mas doon. Doon taglakwan. Gaon na lagi na yung video daw.
Gunit diha. Single line man ta.
Munik ko sa na ako. Naam day bukor mo kasulod.
Iya diha, itu ko may sugat. Really chika mo.
I need you.
Hindi ko na sa personal.
Gunit siya. Slide ko.
Tinta. Ha? 70.
No, eco-free starting month of May.
Bibirang bata, oy. Di mo, mangula mo ko ang life vest.
Patog light this.
Bali.
Sige.
Ligo ka?
Dili na po ako. Ayun, may tuno ka.
Under foot. Foot under.
Ayun, ipopo yan.
Wala mo yung ani?
Sama natin ako.
Di may brako ba? Diyan po.
Isa lang, oy. Bili lang ng ilari, oy.
Vlogger sa kayo ya?
May
Kamera.
Ako na lang sa
Tapi lang, entra.
Malayat na kita, ha?
Oh, Elijah. Slide kayo, slide. Oh. Slide kayo ni. Green. Walk slowly, Elijah.
Ay, yung fast na ako. Ay, yung fast na ako. Di ko ganyan.
Makakanaog.
Kung fast ka, kaya mag-slide ko. Isa.
Elijah. Uy.
Al moet ik toch aan de kop geven, daar ben ik echt aan gewend. Zo, dat valt me niet eens meer echt op. Ik zweet ook niet eens meer echt op de laatste kant. Maar dat is ook omdat er heel lang in zit. Ik vind dat in Nederland vond ik wel ik zo meer vochtige landen. Kijk je.
Wala dyan. Sa mga ahoy ka?
Bantay noon tayo na ano tayo. Taas na kaya kung paano. O, pati mo. Sige na, kadaog ni mo. Pregaba. Pasa. Muna ni last hunak.
Dali man dito ko tasan.
Breathe in, breathe out sa ko.
Dili ko sige nga ni kay makataas ng tingog. Makataas ng ginawa.
Wait, sure ka tanan, there is skillet.
Ate. Di mo dito nagyanan original. Dili balay di ako ilang ko marisel.
Ito nga sa gyapon.
Dili. Bagon pa ba yan igiputang? Di mo dito ang original oh. May pailagan ni mo na te. Abot pa kadayon.
Paguna ito dong. Paguna. Dira yung gunit.
Ikang.
Dira gunit. Huh.
Almost there.
Nagpadaan. Nya mula ko sa diha? Oo. Kasi dahil niyo gusto ko buli sa kota. Ayaw ko yung atay. Wala kong sinasakal. Pwede mo siya wala na sinasunta. Ito na rin ang iba. Di ko ito dagat. Talahos mo dagat.
Kaya magpailo, gugarda siya.